It's pandas climbing up a tree. One slid down. Wee! 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 Mama panda called with cheer, "Come back, little panda dear. Roll and tumble, climb and play. Pandas giggle all the day. Crunching bamboo soft and sweet. Pandas dance on happy feet." Four little pandas playing by the stream. One chased butterflies in a dream. Splash went water cool and wide. "Come on back," the others cried. Three little pandas munching leaves, wiping faces on their sleeve. Crunch, crunch, munch, what a sound! Happy pandas all around. Two little pandas peek and hide behind the rocks, side by side. Mama laughed, "Now where'd you go?" Two giggles echo soft and low. One little panda climbs so high, waving paws up to the sky. Time for bed, calls Mama Bear, moonlight shining everywhere. Roll and cuddle, dream away. Sleepy pandas end their day under stars so bright and blue. Mama whispers, "I love you."